So here I'm going to show you how to do like the square root or a cubed root or a fourth root. On our notes, our first one we had was our square root of 30. And the way I typically access it is I do second and then x squared. If you notice, there's the square root symbol up there. So press second and that, and it'll put the square root on there. And then I type in my 30 and hit enter. All right, and it gives me my solution, and then I rounded it to 3 decimal places. Next, we have the cubed root of 96, and there isn't, if you look at the calculator, if I zoom in a little bit or get closer, there is no cubed root up there, but I can go again to math, and it is under the math section. If you look at option 4, that's our cubed root, and it puts the 3 in there, and then I just type in my 96 and hit enter. Now, if you have an older calculator, it may put parentheses there, and that's fine. You can just put the parentheses around the 96. And then our last one was the fourth root. So this you would use for any fourth, fifth, sixth, any root other than 3 or 2. And that's going to be option 5. Now, mine, it gives me a box where I can type in the fourth root. So I'll type in my 4, then I'll arrow over. It'll put the box in there, and I'll type in 2048. And I get my answer. Oops, let me delete that. All right, then hit enter. Now, but if you have an older version of the calculator, what you're going to need to do is type in your 4 first, or your index first, then go to math. It should still be option 5, but it won't give you the option to put it in the little corner. It'll just be big. And then type your 2048 under the radical. And you can kind of check it with mine, compare the answers that you get to see if it's correct.